Okay, so we are just getting ready to light off some fireworks. I got the flag parachute. Thomas has got the missile. Fuck yeah. Let's see how this goes. Let's light this shit. Okay, I'm not gonna light it by your face though, because that would not feel bueno. I hope it flies into my backyard. We'll have to chase it wherever it goes. Whoa, shit. Okay, let's see where this bitch goes. Fuck yeah. There it is. I guess it makes sound though. Guess we found that out. Are you ready for yours?
No, because I can't figure out how to get it out of the fucking tape.
Okay.
That one's gonna be loud too.
That's why after this one we run inside and just dash. Yes. Like that shit. Hurry, there's a van. A kidnapper van. Oh shit! That was amazing. It like went right over the carport. Oh shit! I feel like we should not go straight to my house though. Let's just run around. Let's run to the pool. Want some dinner, baby? Yeah, let's give you some dinner. Are you hungry? Yeah. Oh man, that was fun. We did fireworks. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Dude, I love my life. Like, what the fuck is wrong if you don't like my life? Like, fuck off haters. Oh, I have to open the door. Ladders are hard to carry with phones also. Ugh. Didn't know you were getting tickets to the gun show. Sorry, I'm such a fucking... Sorry, not sorry, because I'm not sorry for a goddamn thing. Fuck. Saying sorry for something you're not sorry for, because that's bullshit. Anyway, I'm gonna climb up on the roof again. Let's see. Whoops. Feet first. I don't know if you can see that. Feet first, don't fall. Keep close. Stand tall. So I'm gonna climb up on the roof and see if I can find the fucking parachute once I get my phone. Oh, there we go. Unstuck from the bougainvillea. Okay, baby, here's me being fucking Casey Neistat, right? Bye. Legit, there's a hummingbird. Oh, where'd he go? There he is. Hi, hummingbird. Hi, beautiful baby. Hello. Oh, you beautiful bird. Where you going, love? Come here. Okay, so I'm just getting up here on the roof to see if I can find the parachute. Feet first, don't fall. Keep close. Stand tall. Let's find this fucking flag parachute. Okay, let's fucking do this. Ugh. Feet first, don't fall. Keep close, stand tall. Mantra. Feet first, don't fall. We'll be running again. Let's see where this mofo went. Keep close, stand tall. Roof life is everything life. Oh shit, there it is. Oh hell yeah. Can you see that shit? Where is it? There's my hand. Wait, do you see bushes? Oh yeah, there it is. Right there. Fuck yeah. Oh dude, the sunset is beautiful right here. Like, is this real life? I love my life. I love fireworks. Wherever it is. I love people honking and throwing up the peace sign. Yo, have a great day, everybody. I'm gonna cruise down there and pick up my firework, my flag. Oh, fuck yeah. There's a helicopter. I think it's probably police. That's pretty cool. It's cool to see helicopters. Helicopters always remind me of dragonflies. Like, because like it's like nature fucking figured it out first. I don't know. Roof life, yo. Well, anyway, As I was saying, buznazzty. Feet first, don't fall. Keep close, stand tall. I swear that is like my mantra for life. Otherwise, like, what would you do? Just fucking fall? You can't fall all the time. Like, you need to, like, if you trip, like, you need to get back up. Like, if you stumble, like, or falter, like, lose your way or whatever, like, it's just about, like, getting back up and, like, doing the shit that, like, you know you need to be doing, and, like, believing in synchronicity, and that, like, where you are right now is exactly where you should be, and just all those other destiny things, man. I'm getting my parachute right now, and I guess this fucking garbage. Yay! Oh, it's America! America! Fuck yeah! Whatever. Fucking shit happens. I know how to open doors, promise. And also, fuck yeah. Check it out, I went and got the flag, and it's America! Fuck yeah! So I put it on Uncle Sam. Thanks for coming over, dude. You're rad as fuck. I love you.